Good morning to third BSc Electronics, Physics, Statistics students and Maths students. Same way, BCom General and Computer students. Very good morning and please consider the classes. We are learning Indian economy. Subject is Indian economy and the topic is infrastructure development of India. In infrastructure development in India. How we are developing the infrastructural facilities to all the Indians living in India is the topic of infrastructure. So the meaning of infrastructure comes. What is the meaning of the infrastructure is all the facilities needed by the human being. Okay, from early in the morning what you get up. Okay, you require the electricity, you require the housing facilities, you require educational facilities, you require pure drinking facilities, transport facilities, financial facilities, okay, employment facilities. Next, still the wants, preferences, etc. Whatever we are in need of in our daily life, these all commodities, these all equipments comes under the infrastructural development of country. Expanding investment, you can see the PPT here. Expanding investment in infrastructure plays a very important role of counter of cyclic role. Projects and programs to reviewed in the area of infrastructure development, including pure public and private partnerships, and to ensure that their implementation in expenditure does not suffer for the fund grant. So government is also planning in various 5-year plans for the infrastructural development of the country. Some private organizations also from some private institutions are also coming front for the development of the infrastructure facilities in India. Okay, so infrastructure is a fundamental facility and system serving a country, city and the area, including all the serving facilities. So here in this infrastructure facilities, what comes here? The buildings comes, road comes, power supply, okay, the operational facilities of the society, transportation, communication, financial sectors, etc. Next is meaning. If you think the physical and the organizational structures. Reference, what is infrastructure refers to? Infrastructure refers to basic physical and infrastructural facilities provided to the public in the form of buildings, roads, power supply, okay, permanent framework supports, etc. So definition of the infrastructure is explained by many number of people, but only one person's definition, one economist's definition I am telling you here. That is, infrastructure is a basic physical and organizational structure needed to operation of the society or the enterprise. Infrastructure is a basic physical and structural operations needed for the society or enterprise or the public for the development of the economy in India. Okay, when you talk about the structural overview of this economy, the construction sector is the second largest in the country. The construction sector is in leading place. It is occupying the second largest place in India. Directly or indirectly employs. So how much percent of employment it is giving is nearly 40% of the employment it is giving, and 60% of the GDP growth it is providing, which volume of business through 2,300 crores of business volume it is increasing every year. Okay, so this who is standing in the second place is construction is standing in the second place. 40% of the population are employed in this construction fields. Accounts for GDP, how much percent of the GDP percentage if you talk about is 5.0% of the total GDP is approximately 1 trillion rupees, which is developed by this infrastructure construction. Okay, infrastructural construction investment like steel plants, textile plants, oil pipelines and refineries, as well as the railways are the main purpose or the process of the infrastructure, which is in leading construction process, standing in second place in India. So which are coming under this construction process investment here is steel plants, textile plants, oil pipelines and refineries, real estate construction investment, etc. Growth in the construction industry is expected to be led by the growth in the infrastructure and the constructional investment, which are expected to grow as faster than the real estate. So what is happening is, as the infrastructure is developing day by day in a vast situation, it is indirectly the development of the country. When you talk about the infrastructural development in India, it is well known that the infrastructure investment need is enormous. The Planning Commission has called for an estimated US dollars of $514 million in 2006 and 7 for the infrastructural development of the country. Okay. 10 major physical infrastructure structures during the 11th 5-year plan, that is 2007 and to 2012. Once again, I repeat the point. What is the point here is, the Planning Commission called for an essential investment of nearly $514 billion has been gathered for the infrastructural development of the country in 11th 5-year plan. Okay, 11th 5-year plan, that is from 2007 to 2012, and it has been developed of the private sector also up to 30%. So for the infrastructural development, two main people are playing the important role, that is a political as well as funding the multilateral agencies. Multilateral agencies as well as a political will are the two main roles playing for the development of infrastructure in India. When you talk about the political will, building further on the initiatives taken by the previous government, the current government of India is undertaking several measures to enhance investment in infrastructure segment. Funding from the multilateral agencies such as World Bank and Asian Development Bank are funding various infrastructure projects on a large scale in India. Agencies such as Japan International Bank of Corporation, which funded the Delhi Metro underground railways project, and are also providing funding to the sector. So political will means what happened here, previous government whatever plans has been started and which could not be completed, that should be implemented by the present government or the present ruling party. Political issue if you talk about. And when you talk about the funding forms, many multilateral companies are coming front to lend the finance to invest in India for the development of India, like the World Bank is ready to invest, as well as Asian Development Bank is also ready to invest in India, and Japanese agency, the Japan International Bank for Corporation, is also one of the important bank which is investing in India for the Delhi Metro as well as the underground railways, etc. As I said, infrastructural development in India. Infrastructural development in India, 11th, he took the boom in 9th, 10th and 11th 5-year plans for the development of the Indian economy. Indeed, India has opted for the model that relies to significant extent of the private sector. Even the private sector people are also very much interested for the development or for the investment of the finance in infrastructural development of India. When you see the infrastructural requirement scenario in India, urban population is expected to grow about 50% by 2025. See the plan for the future, how they want to develop. Okay, urban population is expected to grow about 50% by 2005. Next is growth in GDP is predicted to be 8 to 9% per annum. GDP is predicted, means expected to grow 8 to 9%. Road traffic growth will be 15% per year. Road traffic growth will be how much? Every year 15% it is going to increase. Air traffic is growing by 25% every year, and 1,01,000 megawatts of new power needed by 2012. Sanitation coverage is only 35% currently. Sanitation, if you go for how much percent it is presently, is only 35%. So nearly 1,01,000 megawatts of new power is needed by, that was previous plan, that is by 2012. This is a plan, steps taken in the 11th 5-year plan, that is 2007 to 2012. Let's see what was in plans of this 11th 5-year plan. Actions taken in the 11th 5-year plan are: the amount of the money spent on the infrastructure will be raised to 80% of the GDP. Earlier, infrastructure spending was only 4.6% of GDP. So what happened is, previously they used to invest only 4.6%. GDP we used to gain from this infrastructural development. Presently, it has been increased to 8%. Nearly 3.4% of the increase in GDP has been took place because of the investment in the infrastructure. One half of all investments in 11th plan will be infrastructure. So next plan is what? In They also want to develop the infrastructure in the 11th 5-year plan. The Planning Commission has estimated that a total investment of rupees 450 billion in infrastructure is required over the next 5 years to meet India's infrastructure needs. So how many billion dollars it is ready to invest is 450 billion dollars it is ready to invest. Post capacity will be increased from 520 mega this one MT to 800 MT megawatts of new power generation that is added. Steps taken for the infrastructure development, if you see, IIFC, Indian Infrastructure Finance Corporation. Indian Infrastructure Finance Corporation is the main institutions which is lending the finance for the infrastructure development in India. Step up to fund infrastructure funds in India and is owned by the government. So this is a bank which is owned by the government of India, will lend money at low rates to public and private infrastructure projects. So what is the main aim of this bank is lending the finance to private sector as well as the public sector at the low rate of interest. Would be able to borrow at low rates as they are guaranteed by Government of India. Why the rate of interest is very low here? Because these are supported by Government of India. That is the reason they have low rate of interest. Government has started the Jawaharlal National project infrastructural development as well as urban renewal machine to improve urban infrastructure. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru urban renewal machine to improve urban infrastructure. Infrastructure inadequacies is both, it is existing both in the rural areas as well as the urban areas as a major factor in India's growth. India needs a lot more infrastructure meeting its needs. The government is focusing on this and has created a set of programs and reforms aimed at addressing the issue. Okay, so infrastructure is what is? Infrastructure is all the needs of the people, whatever they want, like power, electricity, education, communication, okay, housing facilities, pure drinking water supply, these all comes in the implementation of infrastructure development of the country. One more topic is also there, that is the social infrastructure, that will be dealing in the next class, social infrastructure. So I request all the students to concentrate on the classes and listen the classes because these classes may not be repeated once again. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much. And here it is also saying that infrastructure also is energy, power, transport, social infrastructure also part of the infrastructure development of the country. Yeah.